Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. So today we are going to discuss the last part of this chapter, transpiration, and two processes are there. One is guttation and another is bleeding. Okay, so let's start. Some plants, different plants, they lose their water or other fluids or the cell sap along with some dissolved substances or some dissolved minerals directly in the liquid form, okay, not as a water vapor, because as you know that through the transpiration only the water vapor will release, but there are some other processes through which the plants release the water or the fluid directly from their body parts. So this is known as exudation. Okay, that means actually to sweat out something like the fluids, and the fluid is given out, means the fluid which is given out from the body of the plant, that is known as exudate. Okay, so this type of exudation has two processes. Okay, so one is guttation and another is the bleeding. Okay, so guttation means actually to drop out the fluids or the water from the leaves. Okay, so in some different types of plants, or in some special plants, like in case of banana, nasturtium and strawberry, they show the droplets of water where along the margin of the leaves in the morning. Okay, like as you can see in the diagram, it is the droplet of water which are coming out from the margin of the leaves in the morning. So this particularly happens in plants which are growing in the warm humid conditions, right? So the humid condition or the humid environment, they actually hampers the transpiration, right? But but the roots of these plants, they continue to absorb water from the soil, right? So as this transpiration hampers due to the humid environment, but the roots are absorbing the water continuously from the soil, so this build up a big hydrostatic pressure within the plant. Okay, so it builds up a hydrostatic pressure which forces out the excess water directly from the tips of the veins of the leaves. Okay, so it forces out, this hydrostatic pressure forces out excess water directly from the tips of the veins of the leaves. Okay, and in this type of plants, they have some special structures, they are known as hydrathodes. Okay, the special structures, they are known as hydrathodes. These are present on the margin of the leaves and they allow this kind of exudation in plants. So we can observe this guttation in case of strawberry, banana, etc. Okay, so this is a process through which excess water of the plant body will goes out from the plant body directly, not as means in the liquid form, not as water vapor. Next is the bleeding. Okay, so bleeding, you know that it is from the name only you can understood that it is generally occur due to the injury only, and the cell sap they comes out from the ruptured or the cut surfaces of the plant. Okay, and the root pressure generated by the plant, that also assess this bleeding. Okay,